Kami nakaabot ng police station, again, we received a report from a concerned citizen na may nagkandak ng checkpoint doon sa may area ng Sabang. Sabi ko, remember, as of this time, we are already in election period. The only authorized checkpoint na ina-allow ng Comelec is yung PNP checkpoint sa yung ENP checkpoint. So, the personnel from Surigao City Police Station, at the same time personnel from Mobile Force Company responded at the area. Then we followed. Then my team leader called me and he told me to the Dato Adlaw requested negotiation with Mayor Paul Dumlao. Miski may activity si Mayor, sinabihan ko, sir, baka pili mong maistorya. Pero anong nangyari after the arrival doon sa area, binastos yung Mayor. So we have no option but to leave the area. At the same time, to remove all the signages there. And at that time, we deployed more PNP personnel at the area, just to contain and isolate those members of the Federal Tribal Groups of the Philippines. So pagkatapos nun, wala naman talagang ibang illegal activities. More on threats in the social media. Then, the netizen capitalize yung mga threats, pinagtawanan. Supposedly, our duty as social media user, kung responsible pa ta, pag may ganun na threat sa social media na in-upload, duty natin is massive reporting doon sa Facebook. That's why I ask all my persons to conduct massive reporting. So as of this time, sir, we filed the multiple complaints against the especially to the leader of the Federal Tribal Group of the Philippines. So, you have heard even in the interview the multiple complaints against them, and we are waiting for the resolution of the prosecutors of it. Thank you, sir, and good afternoon.
Yes, tinuod no. In fact, nag-viral to gahapon nga doon ay allegedly there was one tribe nga ang bagadihan ni agi sa atong Comelec checkpoints nga binitbit ng bladed weapons. So, I initially coordinated with the Philippine National Police. In fact, sa pinaka-istorya mi, kasi sa ato mo kung guidelines sa Comelec, ang bladed weapon, dili na ma-considered as definition, part of the definition of the gun ban. But nevertheless, there are appropriate cases that will be filed or that are suited sa mga pangkitabo na. Like, for example, if I may suggest, being also a lawyer, possession of deadly weapon in public is a violation of batas naman sa bilang size. Kung nakakreate po kanid nga o kagupot, you may also be charged for alarms and scandal or whatever. So, kung wala man masakay sa atong gun ban because of the definition right now, not including bladed weapon, no? Bladed weapon as part of the definition what are those prohibited during this time around. But there are other provisions of the law. Adunay mga provisions sa atong balaod nga pwede to sila makasuhan. Particularly, kung tinuod magani nga itong mga tawhana, with all due respect, are in possession of deadly weapons. Wala man noon, no? Wala man noon, kay kung nag-disrupt pa po sila sa atong pinigay or atong proseso, then definitely we have forces to to put end to whatever actions they are taking. So, in as far as the preparation of the Comelec is concerned, wala to yung problema siya. Wala gyud kay atun pa ang atong prinsipyo gina-apply. We had a meeting with our security forces. Ang bumangga giba kung kinsa man ginang mga illegalista din nga dili mutuman sa atong balaod, then we have forces to pin them down. No? The commitment with the members of the Provincial Joint Security Control Center headed by yours truly, akong vice chair nako ang PNP ug ang Army. We are prepared and very ready no for any eventuality, particularly sa kanang mga tao nga dili mutuman sa atong balaod o magsamok-samok. So for example, we are anticipating, no, it's not that it's possible to happen, but what if, no, similar groups, with all due respect, mana sa atong mga presinto, magsamok-samok, whatever claims you have, well, ilaman po na, pa di lang yun siguradoon lang yun nga dili makadisrupt sa atong pinili ay kung mahitabo mga na, anado sila lugar kahimutangan.
Kahapon, yung mga complainants nagpunta na ng police station and then yung investigator on case natin, pre-process na lahat ang mga documents na kailangan para sa pagsampa ng mga iba't ibang kaso against sa kanila. Kasi yung naging action nila is not in accordance with the rule of law. So ngayon lahat na mga ebidensya na kailangan naming makuha, actually naka-ready na para sa pag-file namin. Kasi nag-push siya ng alarm doon sa public. So palagi nga namin in-explain na kung may mga action man sila, dapat ipadaan natin sa legal na proseso kasi mayroon naman tayong korte. So far ngayon, mayroon tayong mga dineploy na mga PNP personnel with the augmentation ng First Provincial Mobile Force Company at Second Provincial Mobile Force Company para ma-isolate natin yung grupo doon sa area sa may barangay sa Surigao City.